Hi, this is Coach Melavie once again for your daily life and love hacks. Alam mo ba kung ano yung pinakamalaking dahilan kung bakit maraming relasyon yung unti-unting lumalamig, nasisira, namamatay? Hindi naman dahil nawawala yung pagmamahal kundi dahil tumitigil na silang mag-usap ng totoo. Minsan hinihintay natin na hulaan ng partner natin yung nararamdaman natin. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi naman mind readers yung mga partners natin. Healthy communication is choosing honesty over silence, understanding over assumptions, and kindness over being right. So bago kayo matulog tonight, ask your loved one or your partner one simple question. Kumusta ba tayo? Kumusta ka ba? Then listen. Just listen. Not to respond, kundi para maintindihan mo siya. Remember, strong relationships are built on meaningful conversations, one at a time.